Hello guys, and today I'm going to be telling you how to mod your bonelab game. And this works for any game with a mods folder. So what you want to do is you want to go to the MetaQuest store, okay? And so you want to go to the MetaQuest store and you want to go to the search bar and you want to type in mobile VR station. And just 1 second, I'm typing it in. And oh, I typed in Statoon. Here, 1 second. So, yeah, so mobile VR station. And then what you want to do is okay, guys, so what you want to do is it's this little red robot, and what you want to do is download mobile VR station. So you want to click on it and then download it. It's completely free. It's on App Lab, and this is what you're going to use to manage your mods in your and your game files. So just go in there, click available through App Lab, and then click download. So now it should be downloading. Now what you want to do is go to your MetaQuest browser, and while it's downloading, so you want to type in mod.io, and how you spell that is mod.io, and click enter. It should bring you to this page. Now click get started and for gamers. Now in the search bar, this is where you're going to get all your mods. In the search bar, what you want to do is you want to type in bonelabs. But just type in bone. If you just type in bone, it'll already come up, but it's fine. So just type in bonelabs and just click on the game. Now once you click on it, this is where you're going to get your mods. But some of these will only work for PCVR. So on the left, enable the Android filter, because Windows is for PCVR and Android, the Android filter is for Quest. So if you're on Quest, use the Android, and if you're on PCVR, use the Windows version. So what you want to do is enable that filter, and then you can scroll through all the mods and you can find the stuff that you want. So for me, you just go here, and there is over 6,000 mods to choose from. And so, yeah, just enable that Android filter, and then go and scroll down. Don't enable the Windows one, because the Windows one is for PCVR. If you're on PCVR, use the Windows version. If you're on Quest, use the Android. I've already said this, but it's a very crucial step. Now, what you want to do is just find your mod. And in bonelabs, there are utilities, there's maps, there's spawnables. So on the left, you can choose all your filters, and yeah. So for me, I'm going to get a utility. I'm going to scroll down, try and find a utility that I like. And I think I like this. Oh, no, I'm going to keep scrolling. I don't like any of these. you know, I think I'm going to get this camera mod. So basically what you want to do is click on your mod, and it should give you like this little picture and this little thing. On the right, there's another little menu, and you want to scroll down on that and download the Android version. If you're on Quest and you download the Windows version, this will not work. Download the Android version. And if there is a rare occasion where it says Windows and Android, what you want to do is when it says Windows and Android, you want to go on your computer, open it, and then one should say Quest and one should say PCVR, and just use the one you're looking for. Now what you want to do is click download, and it should have a little download at the bottom. Now once you've downloaded it, while there is that little pop-up at the bottom, make sure you remember the name on the pop-up, because that'll help you find it in Mobile VR Station. So you guys can't see it in this video for some reason, but yeah, it's there, and you will be able to see it on your pop-up. Now what you want to do is just open Mobile VR Station. And it'll take a second, but it should bring you to, so this is me just allowing, but the camera doesn't work here, so. Yeah, and it just brings you to Mobile VR Station. Now, once you're in, you won't see as much as I do, so you probably won't see the top 3 on my list. But what you're going to want to do is go to Configuration Wizard. And just a disclaimer, when you click on stuff in Mobile VR Station, you have to click on the file icon next to everything. Because if you click on it, it doesn't work, but you have to click on the file icon next to it. So go to Configuration Wizard and click Show All Options. Now click Enable Manage All Files. And then, so you guys can't see it in this clip, but you're just going to want to click Use This Folder and then Allow. And if the Allow is, you're just going to want to put the slider on that pop-up to the right, and then click your Oculus button to go back, and then click Verify to go to the Verify tab. Now click the button in the top left corner that says Previous Folder, and click Configure Scoped Storage, which is the second one down on that little menu. Now click the first one, it says Setup. Now on this pop-up, click Use This Folder. So click Use This Folder, and then if you don't get the Allow, and then click Allow. Now your screen should turn black, but click your Oculus button and it should bring you back in. Now, if you click Use This Folder and you don't get the Allow pop-up after, it's okay, it's just invisible. Now, what you want to do is just click around on the right and you should hit it eventually. And click like under the 5th line or somewhere around the 5th line. Now, what you want to do is go back and click Crash Apply. Now, it will crash your game, and just click your Oculus button to go to your Oculus Home. Now, just go into Mobile VR Station again. Now, it should be loading, and then it says if this process worked, or if you could see this, then the process worked, and that is great. But if you don't see that, just go back and crash apply it again. Now, go to step 3 and click Verify. So, go to step 3 and click Verify, and then if you get verification success, good job. Don't click step 4 though. So go back so click back twice, and so you're at the main menu. Now go to the top, click Local Files, just wait for it, and then click All Folders and click Download. Now I have a lot of folders here, but you probably won't. So what you're going to want to do is just find your mod. And so I told you to remember the name of your mod before. And that's why this is important, because now it'll make it easier to find your mod. So the name of my mod was, I kind of forget, but the name of my mod was Snakey Wakey. And so I'm going to click on the file icon next to Snakey Wakey. And then click Extract Files, okay? So just click on the file icon, click extract files. And then click OK, go up, and then you should see your mod as like a yellow file. So mine's right there. Now, what you want to do is go up and click View Edit Toggle. Now, scroll down and find your mod. Now, click on it so there's a little green X next to it. Now, you want to click on it, and then at the top left corner, click Copy, and then click View Edit Toggle again. Now, click the back arrow until you're at All Folders, and then click All Folders and go to Android, then Data. Then switch to Scope Storage, and then what you want to do is scroll down on the side. So, scroll down until, so go to Android, then go to Data, then go to Scope Storage, and scroll down on the side until you find Stress Level 0 BoneLab. Now you want to click on the file next to it, click Files, and then click Mods. Now once you did that, you want to go up, click View Edit Toggle, and then click Paste, and then click OK. Now you'll see your downloaded mods. Now, you may already see your downloaded mods, but it's fine. Now, once you're in View Edit Toggle, you want to scroll down, find your mod, and click on the file again to put a little check there. Now, once you put the check there, you want to go in and you want to click the paste button in the top left. Now, if you have a very big mod, like a map or something, this process will take longer to extract and to paste, but it's fine. So if it's like not working, just wait a few minutes and you can go into your browser and watch some YouTube or something. Take your headset off maybe. Or no, don't take your headset off. But once you're done, click OK, and then click there and click and go out of View Edit Toggle and then go out so you're in the main folder. Now go back into mods and if you scroll down, you should see your mod. And it should be in the mods folder. So mine's right there. Now what you want to do is go back, click the arrow in the top left until you are back at the start, okay? But what you want to do is, click it until you're back at the start, and then leave Mobile VR Station first instead of just clicking on bonelabs. Because if you just click on bonelabs, then it might not work. So you have to leave Mobile VR Station and then go into bonelabs. You can't just go straight into bonelabs. Now go into bonelabs, and there is a way to check if your mods have downloaded. So just go into bonelabs, and so you want to load into your menu, and then what I have these things. So this is one of my mods, and so this is one of my mods, and so I like this mod because I can put ammo in it, and then it spawns a little thing for me. And if you didn't know, you can hook your thing up there and change your customized settings. So these are all the trait avatars, but if you want to change your settings, you just go here, click on the first one, and then you can change it to anything you like. So I'm gonna make the first one Hulkbuster. You know what? No. I'm gonna make the first one. Let's see. So I'm going to make the first one strong because that's like my normal avatar. I'm going to make the second one of my modded avatars. So I'm going to make it Seattle Surge from COD. I'm going to make the third one Hulkbuster. Or sorry, 1 second. Someone's calling me. Okay. So I'm going to make the third one Hulkbuster. Probably going to make the fourth one Iron Giant because that's also another one of my mods. Make the fifth one Jimmy, and then the sixth one Crablet. You know what? No, I'm going to make the fifth one the Combat Maid. And one of the coolest mods, I think, is the Iron Giant. And I really like this mod because it makes you extremely big. So this is the Seattle Surge mod from the COD pack. And now you have the Iron Giant, and I'm just going to go back to normal. Now, what you want to do is go to the home, go to mods, and then go to accept chaos and installed, and then go scroll over, and you should see your mod. Now, if it's a spawnable or a utility or a map, you can go into the mod. So if it's a spawnable or a utility, just go into quick play. But if it's a map, you can go to the mod levels, which is number 6 in the hub. And yeah. So what I'm going to do to my mod was a camera mod, and so I'm going to use the camera mod. Now let me just find it. It's up here. So if you want to find your mods, you just go to authors and then just go to camera mod. Now in this part of the video, my mod is very glitchy and it glitches me out, but your mods do work if they, I think it's just because it's my first time using this mod, but your mods do work. So yeah, that is the end of the video, guys, and I hope you liked it. Hope you can do this on your quest, and yeah, goodbye.